Hey guys, welcome back. And today I want to go over my install of my Wyze cam. I had a little problem to begin with. My Ring doorbell looks straight out my front door, which is perfect. But we added a garage addition on the front of our house, so now I can see straight out, but I see a garage wall to one side. What I really want to see is my driveway. So we're going to use the Wyze cam to fix that problem. These Wyze cams are really inexpensive, great quality cameras available from Amazon. If you're not an Amazon Prime member, I highly suggest you become one. Link in the description if you want to support me. These cameras are about $20. Now I bought an outside housing with mine because it's going up under the eave in my garage. The setup on these is really easy. If you're not a real tech person, you can complete this easily. Directions are great. Just follow along, connect to it via Wi-Fi. I'm not going to cover the setup. What I will do is link to a video in the description that shows the setup of the camera directly from Wyze. You're not going to learn it any better than from where the source is. Also, I integrated this camera into my Alexa device. I have a couple Echo Dots, a couple Amazon Fire Stick 4Ks. So what I can do as I set this up, I can just ask, she's responding right now, sorry. I can ask Alexa to show me the driveway cam. So in my setup of my Wyze cam, I named this the driveway, so I can see the driveway. Another great thing about these devices, you can add an SD card into the camera and it will constantly record everything to the SD card. You don't have to buy the cloud option. Now, I think I put a 32 gig SD card in mine, so the time it takes to fill that up is going to be a few days at least, probably, so I think we'll be okay there. And integration with Alexa is really easy also. You just download, you open up the Alexa app on your smartphone and you download the Wyze skill. W-Y-Z-E is how you spell this device. Wyze cam. Once you have your setup, you name your camera, add the Wyze skill, you just pick it as a device in your Alexa app, and just like that, it's integrated. Again, I will link another video in the description where it shows you how to integrate that device. Another great thing about these little devices is they're just powered off of a USB cable and a power brick. I used an extra long USB cable to get it to an outlet in my garage. I have plenty of Wi-Fi coverage out through my garage to the edge of it, so we're good there. That's another thing you're going to want to watch out for. Make sure you have good Wi-Fi coverage and a power outlet nearby to power your camera. We're going to put it all together, real easy install. Let's take a look at the install. Okay, so I think that angle is going to be good, so we'll probably stick it right up here above this light, which means we'll have to drill a hole right back here and run our wire in and around all of our stuff and back down to this outlet. So let's get to work. So we're going to need a drill bit large enough that we can fit the small end of our USB cable through. So I think this one will do. Alright guys, hole is drilled. We put it right up there on the trim. We'll mount our casing and go from there. Okay guys, we got our camera housing mounted. It's raining. Sorry, I can't get a better shot. I don't want to take my camera out in the rain, but we're going to adjust that to where we get the right angle on the camera, run the cable, and plug it in. Okay guys, it's set up under the eave of the garage, pointing out towards the driveway. We need to fill that hole with some caulking and some fire stop on the other side. But let's pull it up and see how it looks. Okay guys, that is exactly the view that I want. I want to be able to see if this car's home and get a good view of it. Get a good view of right here in the front of the driveway. I think that's going to solve my problem of not being able to see the driveway out of the window. Now what we have done is, so we put some caulking there, so we got it all sealed up. That's what it looks like mounted in the outdoor cage, and I've just temporarily run my wire through here, and it plugs up here, so I'm going to have to tidy that up. I'll run it right there across the top and bring it down with this wire. Put my extra up there just in case I need to move something around, but that'll be done off camera. We'll go inside next and see what it looks like with Alexa. Okay guys, we went ahead and we integrated it into our app. So let's test this out, see how it works. Alexa, show me the driveway.
Okay.
Looks pretty good, perfect angle. So as you can see guys, the view was not sufficient with the Ring doorbell before. Now we add the Wyze cam, we've got the whole view of the front of the house. Pretty good setup. I'm very happy that I did this. It was so easy. Any of you that are probably non-tech people, I consider myself a tech person. Any of you that are non-tech people, you can handle this. Very easy setup. Just watch the 2 videos I linked below. Do the install, check the location and the angle like I did before. I just used a step ladder, moved it around, just to make sure everything was going to turn out with the view I wanted. So that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.